Okay, they wanted to say hello again. They didn't want me to shut off the camera. They got really upset. And so they really, really want to be taped. So here we are, everybody. They're very, very, very interested in being videotaped. Yes, they are. That's Sydney, everybody. Yes, and here we are. We're just hanging out. Yes, we are. We're all just hanging out. And there's Cuckooberry. There's Cuckooberry. And here's Sydney on my belly. He's sitting on my belly. So funny. Hi. Hi, Sydney. And they've been very mellow today. Very good. Very, very good. I hope Sydney stays very good. I don't want him to chew my camera, which is what he wants to do. Yeah. I think sometimes he thinks there's a little bird trapped in there when I preview the video for him, and he feels like he needs to let the bird out. And that's why I think I lost the other cameras. Because I think he needs to free the little bird from the camera. I love you guys. I love you all very much. You too, baby and Ginger. Sydney and Cuckooberry. This is Sydney and Cuckooberry. Yes, and that's baby Joe. That's babe. But, yes, babe. So, they need a shower. I know. We all need a shower. Hi, Sid. Hi. You need a shower? Everyone needs a shower. Uh-oh. Sydney. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Please? I'm a little bit scared. Because I don't know what he's planning. You know, he might be planning something, knowing that I'm videotaping him. Now, he's a good boy. He's a really well-trained bird. He's a professional. I think he must have been a show bird at one time. I really do. He's amazing. Yes, he is. This is Sydney, everybody. He's very amazing. He's a person. Well, every animal is like a person to me, but Sydney really displays that person. You know, to me, he's just another human being. So are my other birds too, but his intelligence is amazing. So I'd say like a 12-year-old child. Yes. He's very compassionate, very helpful and protective, and caring and loving. And he protects all the other birds. He's very careful, and he's a good boy.